Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can edit mockups, so let's get right into it. Now, mockups are basically the same thing as templates, and you can edit them in Photopea very easily. You just need to select which mockup you would like to edit, and then just go into the editing process. Now, as you can see, there is a wide range of mockups or templates on the Photopea library, and you can just choose whichever one you want. For example, let's choose this one. Once you open it up, it will open up in the Photopea editing tab, and here you can start to edit it. Now, once it launches, you will see you will not be able to use exactly the same things in the same way as you would. As you can see here in the right, you will see all the layers that are here, with the layer on the bottom being locked, where it was locked for some reason. I don't know why it was, but yeah, what you can do is just select any of these layers, go into folders and check out whatever they have. And here, once you click on the layers, you can start editing them however you would like. Now, as you can see, it does require rasterization for editing smart objects, and you can do whatever you want. But yeah, as you can see, if I take the brush tool, I can very easily draw it and just pretty much do whatever I would like. You just need to select the layer you would like, and then you can just change it however you want. And then once you're done, you just go into file and then save as PSD or save as however you would like. And that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.